Yes, people, top of the morning, people. Top of the morning, man. A beautiful morning. The weather look it too calm though. It look calm, but it might kick up later on still, you know. But I'm downtown here trying to get some bait, you know. Trying to do some fishing today. The bait kind of scanty today, you know, but catch 1 and 2. About 5 bang we catching, 5 bang we catching in a bucket. Yeah, about 5. But like them not come too near right now. Them the way out. So I have to throw very far, and even sometimes I throw far, them not out there neither. So I'll see if we can catch a few more and then leave out of here, you know. I don't want to start the morning too late because, you know, he's not a late fisherman already. So let's see how it go now. Catch about a dozen, but a dozen more take. I'm not stay for the whole day as usual. I'm not fish for the whole day unless I'm really up to it. So let me see how it go now. So come back to you, alright? Get some bait downtown, you know, not a lot of bang, just a few of them start to turn over already, so I'm going to use them as cut bait. But anyhow, I'm heading to Port Royal, right, because there is nowhere else to go right now. I carry some lures, but I'm not going to do any lure fishing again because it's kind of late now and more sit down and relax because my foot kind of hurt, you know. I have a little problem with the foot, you know, gout arthritis, some people might know it, but some people don't know it. Well, that is affecting me right now. And I can't walk go too far, so I'm on a medication now that I'm taking for it, and it suppresses the immune system. So that's why I used to be having a mask, right? So I have to have on a mask right now and keep it on for the whole day, because once my immune system is suppressed, well, a lot of things can happen, you know. So I have to try to protect myself as best as I can, so that when I end up with no infection, we're detrimental or serious. So anyhow, catch you on the spot, alright? So fish on every time. Get some fresh water for them. Come in, don't So guys, this is what I end up doing, you know. Live bait fishing around by Wiki Waki. Because when I go around to Port Royal, I tell you, brother, if you ever see the amount of weed, in the water with a Port Royal, it's unfishable. So being as we have a few little live bait, I say, boy, and I'm not selling them because them start turn over there already. Yeah, some start turn over already, so it don't make no sense. See the water. Yeah? I'm gone already. I'm seeing 4 leave night. So I'll come check them out on a Wiki Waki here, so you can't catch a snook, you know, right there, the shallows right here, so I put it out in the air right here, so you know, because sometimes there'll be some snook over there too far, you know. See if we can catch something for dinner today. So just right at the front there, so I put it very shallow. Alright, see there right there, so we'll just put out 2 line, you know. Yeah man, so people, stay tuned, alright, get back to you as soon as I get a hook up. whole heap of breeze. Breeze like nothing metal. A whole heap of breeze. So I'm at Wiki Waki now and I need this gazebo looking thing. I'm gonna take some cool breeze, you know. I shot out 2 rods out there still, you know, because I have some live bait and decided so boy, we can't get to show them free line them, so I just set them out and just go and relax and eat this thing here. But Port Royal full of weed this morning, man, whole heap of weed. I could even throw the line around there, so I have to pack up and leave. I don't even leave the van too good. My brethren tell me, so boy, full of weed, and I don't even look when I come straight, just leave and just turn back, straight round. But I don't stop at Jetty now, but I said no, I'm come on Wiki Waki and see what's there. Wiki Waki never have no weed still, but the water does get rough. So I just set out 2 live bait and go and relax, you know, so it's relaxing time now. I watch the 2 of them, see the 2 of them out there, so. I don't know if you can see it still enough, but one over there, so, and one over there, so. Now the bait bucket right here, so. I relax on this little thing here, you know. I must see the breeze, I trouble the line, eh. Yeah man, I look dinner today, man. I look dinner. Definitely looking dinner today. Want to catch a nice look now if I go home and cook up, you know. But hopefully we catch it still, you know. Perseverance, as we say, determination. It always pay off, so. Now wait, see me another couple of hours and then must catch something. If we don't catch it, we're going home. Alright people, so come back. Fish on every time. Tarpon on, man. Tarpon on, top. Fish on. Yeah, fish on. Fish on, brother. Come in. Brother, come in. Yeah, come in, boy. Rush like hell, you know, man. Come in, time to come in. Come on, come. Time to come in now. Come in. Come here. See me? See me, people. Tarpon. This is the rod that do the damage again. This is the rod that do the damage again, you know. See it here? You remember? This rod? Catch an African pompano with this rod. Right? Catch a snapper with this rod. No. Catch this big boy with this. See him there? See him there now? Right? Same rod and same reel. I tell you, you know, this little rod is my lucky rod, you know, I tell you, you know. 30 pound Power Pro braid, 30 pound shock leader, 40 pound wire. You see? They do the damage. And this is not a, this is a what? This is a 1-0, yeah. 1-0 J hook, 1-0 J hook. Nice Tarpon. So what we are going to do with it now? Catch and cook? Might be. Yeah, quite likely because I not release him, so quite likely me cook him up still, you know. But we don't hold it for Tarpon catch and cook already, so I don't think I don't know. Might be, you know. But right now I have him, I know me I'll cook him up, right? Anyhow, I have 2 more live bait out there and I go and see if I hook up anything else, so stay tuned guys. If anything, I will get another hook up. You see the action, if not, we're out of here, so we soon come back. Fish on, every time. I'm taking this bad boy home now, so I hope you're lift him up now, man. Heavy, you know. Waiting like crazy, you know, I'm going to lift him up now. So, lift him up the way here. Hey people, I'm going to lift him up. Come here. I don't want to touch his sand. I'm going to lift him up like the way here, you know. Don't make him touch his sand. Let's hope I can manage him. Reach up to the vanny. Don't touch his sand, don't touch his sand. Don't want him to touch his sand, yeah, man. Yeah. So guys, that was it, you know, that was it. A whole lot of breeze around the Kiwaki, but I eventually catch a tarpon still, you know. I'll cook him up and do something with him still, you know. From the moment I release him, I'll cook him, you understand? So basically that's what I'm going to deal with now. And I'll cook it today because I'm tired. I'm alone with the tarpon mash me up. Not really mash me up, and I'm tired me out. Good one I take for bringing me in. Because you know, with 30 pounds set up and they might fight me hard, and the wave I pull him back out, and the surf I pull him back out, and me I pull him in, and a pure fight tag and war between me and him and the surf. But me eventually bring him up and take him up, and cut up my finger them. Because you me alone and I have to run down for him and lift him up and stuff like that, you know. But you know, I fight him alright and I bring him up, you know. So you don't know cooking up time. So I eat that, you know, I never catch a snook. I really want to snook, but I never catch a snook. Snook with a look now on for dinner, you know, but I don't catch none, so I don't know already, you know. I'm not going to eat no snook for dinner today. Anyhow, people, remember to like, share and subscribe, you know, alright? Like the videos, give us a thumbs up, help us to grow the channel, alright? Support the Jamaican channel, support my friend KMJ Fishing, support the other channels, you know, Kevin's Adventure, Extreme Fishers, you know, Shore Fishing, Jamaica Shore Fishing, Hartman Adventures, you know. Support all the Jamaican, the local channels, alright guys? So take care, God bless, and and we see you guys in the next one. Fish on every time.